Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Court. So today I just want to teach you on how to achieve a good white tint. We don't have a tint that will give you absolute white immediately you apply it. But there is this trick or hack that we use to achieve pure white when you tint someone's hair. Some person will come to your salon, they want their hair to turn to white, and once you apply your good dye finish, the thing will not turn to white. Even if you leave it from now till tomorrow, it will not turn to white. So today there is this procedure that I normally use. Do you understand? I normally use this hack to make sure that I get pure white on any customer's hair. So if today is your first time on seeing my channel, my page, please do well to share. Let other people learn this thing now. Do you understand? Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't come out here to tell you. Because a lot of people have been commenting, HUC, how Universal Cup, please, how do you get pure white? That is what I want to show you now. Do you understand? Like, comment, and share, and follow me for more. So after you have applied your dye finish, your tint dye, like this one, sometimes when you get to the market, they will write the white head agent. This is not pure white. This is gold. It's going to give you gold. Do you understand? So now from this gold, now you're going to get white. After you have mixed this your tint, this gold tint, with this developer. This developer has 12% 40 volume. This one particularly. Once you mix it together, you turn it very well and apply it on your customer's hair. Once you apply it, allow it like 30 minutes, sometimes 15, 25, 30, maximum 30 minutes. You wash it off. Once you wash it off, it's going to give you pure gold. Do you understand? It's going to give you pure gold. Then after you have done washing it, you dry the hair. Use your towel, or if you have your dryer, dry the hair. After that, then you reply it again. You reply it again. Do you understand? Once you apply the second time, make sure that once you apply the first time, cover it. Either you use shower cap or you use nylon to cover it. Do you understand? Then the second one that you will apply, after applying it, you cover it again. Allow it, make sure that you time the first one, the minute that you leave for the first one. That is the same minute that you leave for this second one. Pay attention very well. Once it's up to that minute, go and wash it. Once you wash it, it will give you white. It will give you white. Do you understand? So this is how to achieve pure white. The first dye, the first one, after you tinted the first one, you wash it, it's going to give you gold. Then the second one, after you apply it again, you wash it. Allow it. If the first one exceeded 25 minutes or 30 minutes, allow the second one to get to that same minute before you wash it. Once you don washing it, you get white. Regardless of the hair, how strong the hair is, you get white. So if you learn something from this now, please make sure you share, like, comment. And if you have your own way of getting pure white, please tell us, share with us in the comment section so that we too will learn. This barbering of 18, no one knows it all. Barbering is very, very vast. It's very, very wide. So anything you are hiding, you are doing it on your own. It came empty, you surely go empty. So whatever you know, try to unleash. Try to teach others. Let other people to learn that from you. So if you know that you learn something from this, just go and practicalize this thing that I just told us now. Just go and practicalize it. Once you done practicalizing it and it works for you, then please make sure you come back and comment that it works. You know, before you could discover something, you have to be trying it. That is what they call research. You are researching about that. I love you guys. This is HUCI Universal Quote. One love. Make sure you like, comment, and share. And don't forget to follow. Don't forget to be part of HUC family. You will not regret being part of this family because I don't hide anything. Anything I know, I will come and share. I love you guys. One love.